If you are building a website that needs to rank on Google, one crucial aspect will be the load time of the page, with the main culprit often being the size of your images. To address this, we can utilize compression tools like Compressor.io to significantly reduce the file size of our images.
After accessing the website, we can easily select files to upload. Let's choose one of the images available here, which is already relatively small in this instance, at 31 kilobytes in size. By simply going through this process, we can reduce it to 2/3 of its original size. Implementing this compression technique with larger images or multiple images on a single page can give our website an edge over our competition in terms of speeding up the page load time.
This, in turn, can assist in boosting our website's ranking on Google. Utilizing tools like Compressor.io directly in the browser eliminates the need for downloading software, making the image compression process more convenient and efficient for web developers.